Good morning, one and all. I am Dr. Rameshwar Rathod, Assistant Professor, Department of English, LBS College, Satara. Today we are going to talk about the new topic, BA 3rd English novel, Semester 6, paper number 15. Topic name, Historical Novel. Introduction. Historical fiction as a genre is important and relevant to our times for many reasons. It has also been one of the more popular genres of the 20th century world literature. There have been many novels and short stories belonging to this genre written into the past 200 years which have achieved the cult status. Their fame and presence in literature in a matter of curiosity. Some of the most famous novels of this genre. The aim of this paper is to study and analyze the various aspects of the historical novel, that is, need for fiction in the historical narrative, defining the features of historical fiction and the rise of the historical novel. But before we go on the define and historical fiction as a genre, it is necessary to understand the term of genre itself and to understand those parameters which would enable to set a text to be term and similar. It is also possible that a particular text belong to the multiple genre. A historical tragedy, for in instance, which borrows and recombine from more than previously existing the work of literature. What is genre? One could define the genre as any category discourse which is generally recurring and reconcilable by way is a similarity in style and uh, for format. We say discourse because the genre is something which encompass all from the communication all those studies only the case of literary artist and component of discourse. It is interesting observe the process of the formation of genre from the work. The means historical. The Indian English literature is emerging a new literature in English as a national literature is in acquired language. Novel is a major form attempt in three phases. Novels are classified into the following groups: traditional novel, social realism before independence, the modern novel and experimentation after independence, new contemporary novels since 1981. A novel written in the first phase from 1864 to 1930 and entitled as a novel of nativity. The novels written a second phase from 1931 to 1980 are called as novel conclusion. Novels written a third phase from 1981 are known as the novel culminations. During the first phase, novelists had concentrated the realistic and social realism and Indianness, Indian political movement, Indian freedom struggle, Indian history, and Gandhian philosophy. Chief features of Indian political historical novel. Indian politicals and historical novel are written before independence. These novels are set in situation freedom and struggle in Gandhian movement, British rules, historical stories, prince and princess, king and queen. Theme are appropriately adjust the location setting both of the political and historical novel. Character sketches are well chosen and lovely the most political and historical novel. The Indian political and historical novel before and after independence. Those the growth of novel later years excited the most form of fiction actually last arrived in the Indian English literary sense. Kailash Chundar Dutt, a journal of 48 hours of the year, published in 1945 in Calcutta Literary Gazette on 6th June 1835. In the literary fantasy, an author narrates the story of imaginary unsuccessful revolt against British rules, and 100 years later, Republic Orissa appeared in Saturday Evening Hauruku on 25 May 1855. We depict the British defeat and leading to the establishment and democratic republic in Orissa. The novel published after 1864 the political and historical theme in the example of La Bihari Day, the history of Bengal, Riot. In 1874, Misra Masud Beg, the Battle of Panipat, 1884, Ramesh Dutt, the Save Girl in Agra in Indian Historical Romance, 1990, set in Mughal period, Sarath Kumar Ghosh, The Prince of Destiny, published in 1909, novel about an enlightened in Rajput prince in later 19th century, which is interested and earliest fiction attempt to deal with the East and West relationship. Uh, Madhyash Clarinda published in 1915 a historical romance dealing with the career of women Christian convent in Tanjore. Tanjore Krishna wrote two historical romans in Padmini in 1903, love story which is the heroine and village is middle and perfect, the poor but high solid lover, an aristocratic suspense, a day of death in uh, is poor and love princess, and princess is finally observed to the long press. Our four novel in uh, Sardar Singh, The Romance of Indian Queen in 1912, historical novel in Mughal age. The Indian English after 1920 was deeply influenced the making the political and social and ideological frame caused the Gandhian movement. The impression of Gandhian is the strongly second novel, the novel of New Indian in the making in 1930, which set in against the background and civil movement in the 1930s. It is a tale of story in the Oxford educated Indian youth and resigned from the Indian civil service and plague into the freedom struggle and finally to the police built. ASP Iyer, both the novels, this man of the destiny, the set in ancient historical background of India, both Mulk Raja Anand, the novel Untouchable, and Coolie, under the influence of industrialism, capitalism, and the colonialism. Many Mulk Raja Anand's novels written before the independence are influenced the freedom struggle. And very famous writer R.K. Narayan, Waiting for Mahatma, published in 1955, the novel dealing with the Gandhian freedom struggle uh, and also continues the Gandhian movement. In Jagan is sweet vendor and the Gandhian finds his only son Mali and the Western academy. His novel The Guide is win a Sahitya Academy Award in 1960. The finished novel in 1958. He deals the human motivation and action into the philosophical end of the Raju, and Guide is the philosophical guru. So, the most independence Indian English fiction and moment novel had gained to the during